Hi everyone, I'm Superstar. Are you ready to learn colours and numbers with our favourite toys from Blaze and the Monster Machines? And who's ready to see some gooey slime going all over our trucks? Let's go! How about we start off by counting how many Blaze and the Monster Machine trucks we have? Are you ready? Great! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 Blaze and the Monster Machine toys. Now, shall we learn our colours? Let's go! Blue, orange, red, pink, yellow, guess who got away without getting slimed? That's right, it's Pickle! Hey Pickle, you were lucky today. Off you go! Thanks for watching all you superstars. Don't forget to subscribe for more great videos at Superstar Toys. Bye for now!